Star Micronics introduces you to an amazing, all-inclusive thermal point-of-sale printer named the TSP-100. This printer is the most efficient, convenient, and cost-effective small printing solution available in its class, and it includes everything you need in one box. Models in this family include the TSP-100 USB and TSP-100 LAN, printing at 22 receipts per minute, the highly sophisticated and lightning-fast TSP-100 GT at 45 receipts per minute, and the environmentally friendly TSP-100 Eco at 28 receipts per minute. The TSP-100 Eco brings an array of environmental benefits including 75% reduction in power consumption compared to standard Star printers, up to 70% reduction of paper consumption using the included receipt compression tool, new halogen-free printer housing and new recyclable packaging, and a 5-year prepaid manufacturer carbon offset program at no additional cost. The TSP-100 has a very small footprint, allowing it to fit in a variety of spaces, and comes in 2 colors, putty or gray. Several connection interface options are available depending on model, including dedicated USB, powered USB, and Ethernet. It also features a space-saving internal power supply, eliminating the need for a separate power brick and therefore creating more room on the counter. To further fit the needs of any counter space, the TSP-100 can operate in either the default horizontal orientation or vertical mode. So what's included in the box with the TSP-100? First, the space-saving power cord. It easily fits into the connection on the back, and again, there's no power brick. Depending on the model purchased, the printer comes with a USB, powered USB, or Ethernet connection cable. All ports are recessed on the back of the printer, helping to protect them and the cables from damage. For vertical mode installations, 4 rubber feet are provided to fit into the hollowed out areas, preventing the TSP-100 from sliding around on the counter. To save even more space, the TSP-100 can be completely removed from the countertop and fastened to a wall with a wall mount bracket. The bracket easily attaches to the back of the printer with 2 included screws. A startup paper roll is also included. Paper loading is fast and easy with a drop-in and print design. By default, the TSP-100 supports a standard 80mm wide roll of paper for customer receipts, and also can easily be adjusted to accept 58mm wide rolls for credit card applications. To use a smaller width roll, simply fit the included paper guide into the paper chamber. The TSP-100 ships with an installation CD to provide the easiest integration experience ever. The CD includes easy-to-install drivers for Windows, Mac, and Linux environments. Also included is an amazing free utility named FuturePrint. FuturePrint allows store owners to very easily brand their receipts with logos, coupons, and watermarks. Furthermore, they can provide target marketing to customers by triggering a coupon off a word on the receipt. All of this and many more features are brought to you on the TSP-100 CD. The TSP-100 has proven its robust reliability and is backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Star Micronics stands behind this printer 100% and proves it by providing a free 1-year Swap-A-Star warranty plan. Swap-A-Star is an extended warranty program that allows for the next business day replacement of a Star printer. Typically available as an option, Star provides it for free with every TSP-100 purchase. With so many features, a fast and simple integration process, and such an amazing price for it all, the TSP-100 is the leading value point-of-sale printer available on the market. Don't just settle on hardware that won't work as hard as you do. Demand everything from your receipt printer. Demand a Star.